This is an easy project I'm gonna do to put a spoiler here. First I have to clean this. This is the spoiler that just came out of 2016 Mercedes-Benz C300. So it's gonna range around 70 to 100 bucks. So, okay, so now for this project, to install the spoiler out of a C300, all we need is just a double-sided tape, just like this. And a scissor. So that's all you need. So you need this spoiler, you need the double-sided tape, and a scissor. And also don't forget the rubbing alcohol. In this case I put it in this spray bottle because I always have this for my rubbing alcohol, and a cloth to clean it. First, all you have to do is spray this. I'm gonna do a second round, and then using the opposite side of the cloth. Let it dry for about 5 minutes. Now, while the alcohol is drying up, then it's the time to put on the tape on this spoiler. All you have to do is put the tape here on the top side, and then put one on this side. Don't forget to clean it with alcohol, okay? So now in this case, I've used up all the whole roll of double-sided tape. It's about, yeah. It's about approximately 15 feet of double-sided tape that's in there. So it still has some empty space here, but that's okay. So now it's ready to install to the hood to the back side of the C300.